together this compost bin. We got it on MacBid, but it's a pain. You got to screw in every little screw. Like there's one there, one there, one there. It's like look, one there, one there, one there, and it's like every single panel. One of these guys, like, what's it? 1, 2, 3, like 6, 7, and we got more over here. It's a lot of screws. Okay, with the washers on the other hand. I better get working on it. Okay, we got a tight fit on this thing. Well, it's easier with 2 hands, but pretty tight fit, and then you spin it. Almost forgot the rubber cap. Okay, very good. We gotta tighten this a little more. We make our own compost now.